So this just came in. This is one of the many facets of the security plan we've got here, SimpliSafe. We've already got some cameras, but not permanent. I got some nice night vision cameras and a group of stuff coming together, and driveway alarms, and this is going to just be part of the security plan. I'm not going to show it all, but it's kind of giving you an idea of something that maybe you could try. All right, I'll cut this in with some other stuff and stay posted. All right, here's one of the other pieces of our security system. Got these in today. Go along with the SimpliSafe. So there's we also have some SimpliSafe cameras around the property too. So stuff. I'm not gonna show it all, but you know. So secure your place. All right, y'all. Stay in touch and subscribe and follow everything that's going on. Take care. Appreciate it.